Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find the recorder app and click on it. Notice while using the app and allow in the pop-ups and click on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it by using the smaller one. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the red one again. Over here you can click on delete and delete your recording right away by choosing delete in this pop-up. But you can also add a title over here and then save your recording by choosing save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, and click on this pen icon at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!